Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. Alright, so all we have to do is to basically swipe our finger from the bottom to the center of our device and hold it somewhere here, like that. After releasing, we can see that here we've got the recents, and it's up to you because you can, for example, close only one of those apps or two of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on clear all. And as you can see, we've got this information. We can of course check it, so simply enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.